Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to walk you through how to add money to your eToro account safely and efficiently. Funding your account is an essential step before you start trading stocks, crypto, ETFs, or other assets, and it's important to do it correctly to avoid delays or errors. First, make sure your eToro account is fully verified. Verification requires uploading clear and readable documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Verification usually takes up to 24 hours, and having accurate documents helps prevent any issues when depositing or withdrawing funds. Once your account is verified, you can fund it. The minimum deposit on eToro is $50, which makes it accessible for beginners. eToro supports multiple payment methods, including debit and credit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets like PayPal and Skrill. Choose the method that works best for you. To deposit, log into your eToro account, open the menu, and click on Deposit Funds. Then, select your preferred payment method and enter the amount you want to deposit. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If you are using PayPal, funds typically appear instantly. If you use a debit or credit card, make sure the card is under the same name as your eToro account to prevent any delays or errors. After completing these steps, your deposited funds will be available in your account, ready for trading. You can now buy, sell, or short sell assets using the funds. Always double-check your deposit details before confirming the transaction. For security, make sure to keep your account login details and verification documents safe. Funding your eToro account is simple. When you follow these steps, and once your money is in your account, you can explore all the trading features eToro offers, from stocks and ETFs to crypto and other financial instruments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And check out our other videos for more tutorials on using eToro and other trading platforms.